Hello, students of class 11. Today we have to go through the numerical problems related to price elasticity of demand. In my last class, we derived the formula to calculate price elasticity of demand and also explain how we give statement about price elasticity of demand. Now we'll do it today. 4 sums are given here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sums are given. Obviously, these sums are of different types. So go through these sums one by one and try to understand how we are following the procedures. First sum. Question number 1. You are given initial price. P1 stands for initial price. P1 is equal to 20 given. Change price. P2 is equal to 15. It is given. Also you are given initial demand. When price was 20, initial demand is 100. Change demand due to rise in price, due to fall in price 20 to 15. Change demand is 175. These are given. Very simple. You have to calculate price elasticity of demand. So what is your first task? Your first task is to calculate change in price, delta P. Delta P is equal to, we know, P2 minus P1. P2 equals to given 15 and P1 is given 20. So this is equal to minus 5. Delta P is equal to P2 minus P1, 15 minus 20 minus 5. Then calculate delta Q. Delta Q equals to Q2 minus Q1. Q2 is given 175 and Q1 is 100. So delta Q is becoming 75. Delta P is minus 5 and delta Q is 75. Your formula EP is equal to delta Q by delta P into P1 by Q1. Delta Q equals to 75. Delta P equals to minus 5. P1 initial price is given 20 and Q1 initial demand is given 100. So 5 4s are 20, 4 25s are 100, 3 25s 75. Answer is minus 3. Price elasticity of demand is equal to minus 3. Now you have to give statement about elasticity of demand. Ignore the negative sign. If EP equals to minus 3, then modulus EP, this is called modulus EP. Modulus EP is equal to only 3. You are ignoring the minus sign. This 3 is greater than 1. So it is a case of elastic demand. Your answer was minus 3. Modulus EP is equal to 3. 3 is greater than 1. As because modulus EP is greater than 1, it is a case of elastic demand. Question number 1. Now see the second question. In second question, initial price is given 8. Change price is given 10. So price rises from 8 to 10. And you are given initial expenditure, not demand. Demand is not given. Initial expenditure is given 96. Change expenditure due to rise in price, expenditure changes to 60. This information is given. And you are asked to calculate price elasticity of demand. But to calculate price elasticity of demand, you need initial price, change price, these are given. Also you need initial demand and change demand. These are not given. So your first task is to calculate initial demand. Initial, question number 2. Initial demand Q1 is equal to initial expenditure divided by initial price. When expenditure is given, then initial expenditure, EXP1 for initial expenditure, divided by initial price, you will get initial demand. Initial expenditure is given 96 and initial price is given 8. So it is 12. So you get initial demand is equal to 12, expenditure by price. Same when we calculate the change demand Q2. Q2 is equal to change expenditure by change price is equal to change expenditure is 60 and change price is 10, becoming 6. So you have got now initial demand 12 and change demand 6. Now find out the change in demand. Delta Q is equal to Q2 minus Q1 is equal to 6 minus 12 is equal to minus 6. P1, P2 is given, so delta P is equal to P2 minus P1 is equal to 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. Delta P is 2. Now use your formula. EP is equal to delta Q by delta P into Q1 by Q1. Delta Q is equal to minus 6. Delta P is equal to 2. Your initial price is given 12 and initial demand is given, you have calculated 12. Initial price is 8. Initial price is given here 8 and initial demand we have calculated 12. So what is becoming the answer? Minus 2. Price elasticity of demand is equal to minus 2. So if EP is minus 2, modulus EP is only 2, greater than 1, so it is a case of elastic demand. 2, modulus EP is equal to 2, 2 is greater than 1, it is a case of elastic demand. So if expenditure is given and price is given, divide expenditure by price, you will get demand. Then you will do it, no problem. Now come to the third problem. Third sum. What is given in third sum? Third sum P1 is given 12, P2 given 9, price reduced from 12 to 9. Q2, change demand is given 70, but initial demand has not been given. You are given price elasticity of demand, EP's value is given. Only you have to find out the initial demand here. So first find out delta P. Is equal to P2 minus P1. P2 is 9, P1 is 12, delta P is minus 3. Q2 is given to you, but Q1 is not given to you. So your delta Q is equal to Q2 minus Q1. That is equal to Q2 is 70. Q1 is unknown. So delta Q is 70 minus Q1. Now use your formula. EP is equal to delta Q by delta P into P1 by Q1. What is delta Q? 70 EP. EP's value is given. EP's value is 3. Even if EP's value is given 3, we know price elasticity of demand is always negative. So although it is given 3, we will consider minus 3. EP is equal to minus 3. Always give the negative sign. Even if it is not given, you will give it. Delta Q is 70 minus Q1. Delta P is minus 3. P1 equals to 12. Q1 is unknown. 3, 12. 3 4s are 12. So what we are getting? By cross multiplication we are getting minus minus plus 3Q1 is equal to, multiplying 70 minus Q1 by 4, it is 280 minus 4Q1. Minus 4Q1 can be transferred to left hand side. It will become 7Q1 is equal to 280. So Q1 is equal to 280 by 7 is equal to 40. So in this way we calculate initial demand is equal to 40. So it may be, you may be given elasticity, you are not asked to find out price elasticity of demand. You are given price elasticity of demand and you may be asked to find out any other term. Maybe P1, maybe Q1, maybe P2, maybe Q2, any other term may be asked to find out, and at that time EP's value will be given. This type of sum is here. Last one. Last sum. Percentage change in price is given. Also you are given initial demand and change demand. You are asked to calculate price elasticity of demand. I said you, whenever any information is given, it is question number 3. Now we will do question number 4. Whenever any information is given in percentage form, then we will use the original formula. Up to this time we have used the formula EP is equal to delta Q by delta P into P1 by Q1. But whenever information given in percentage form, we will use the original formula. And original formula is question number 4. EP is equal to percentage change in demand divided by percentage change in price. Percentage change in demand is equal to delta Q by Q1 into 100, and percentage change in price is given as 25. It is given to you. You are given Q2 is equal to 20 and Q1 is equal to 16. So delta Q is 20 minus 16 and Q1 is 16 into 100 divided by 25. It is becoming 4 by 16 by 25. 4 4s are 16, 25. 25 by 25 equals to 1. Here percentage change in price is given 25, and we have calculated percentage change in demand using this formula. Percentage change in demand is delta Q by Q1 into 100, and we are getting percentage change in demand is also 25. So answer is becoming 1. So it is a case of uniquely elastic demand. If value is 1, if its value is 1, we say it is a case of interelastic. So we have done 4 different types of sum. You go through your book and work out more sums. The more you practice, the greater will be your efficiency. So try to work out many other sums. If any problem, you tell me. Thank you.